How to fix WhatsApp notification problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can fix the notification problem on WhatsApp. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what you have to do is, let's say you're not being able to receive notifications on WhatsApp. It could be happening due to multiple reasons. The very first thing you want to do is make sure to update your WhatsApp app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated your WhatsApp application, now I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So let's say that you're not receiving notifications from a specific profile. It could be because you have simply mute their notifications. So right over here you can see the mute option. So basically when you mute someone's notification, you will not be able to receive their notification in general. So just make sure you have unmute them. If that is not the issue, it could be that the WhatsApp application is most likely lacking the notifications access. So in order to fix that, we'll just go ahead and open up the settings application. On settings, you can find the option called notifications over here. So tap on it. Once you tap on notifications, you'll be able to see these apps. Make sure that the toggle next to WhatsApp is turned on over here, because if it is turned off, it's most likely that WhatsApp do not have notification access. After that, tap on it. Again, make sure the toggle is turned on. Make sure it is set to allow sound and vibration and not deliver quietly. You can go to in-app notification settings as well, and you want to make sure that all of this is turned on. After that, you can go to notification categories. Again, you want to make sure that all of these is basically turned on, because when you have either of these turned off, basically you will not receive any type of notifications. Hopefully this video helps solve your problem as to how you can fix notifications on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.